Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video, I finally have my updated curly hair routine for 2022. I feel like it's been so long since I did a curly hair routine, so it was definitely time for one. And I also am doing my 5K subscriber giveaway. So if you guys want to win the giveaway, go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video because it's actually a lot of stuff. I'm giving away a lot of stuff for my first giveaway. So if that's what you came for, just go ahead, watch till the end, and I'll say all the giveaway rules and everything at the end. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I keep my hair moisturized, defined, have a lot of volume, just keep on watching, okay? I got you, don't worry, I got you. All right, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair before I washed it. As you can see, it's dry, not defined, it's frizzy. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair. So I like to use the Maui Moisture shampoo conditioner. This is the coconut oil for thick and curly hair, and then I use the hair mask, my favorite one from Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Treatment Mask, literally the best hair mask ever. So first thing I do, I like to fix my part because I love having a middle part, and when I'm washing my hair it usually gets a little messed up. So I'm just going to go through and fix my part. First product I like to use is the Jockeys Quench leave-in conditioner, and I feel like this is a really good first product to use because it just adds all the moisture back into my hair, and it's a really lightweight product, so it's not like weighing my hair down too much because the next product to use is really thick. So I'm just going to finger rake this all throughout my hair. And the next product I like to use is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream. As you can see, this product's been through it. I love it. I use it so much. It's really thick. It keeps my hair moisturized. It's like the only cream that I like to use in my hair, honestly, because it just is perfect and it doesn't have like too harsh of a smell. So I'm just going to finger comb this in just like I did with the last product and make sure it gets all throughout my hair. So now I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to do it right above my ears. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means because we're just going to apply some products. So yeah, I'm just going to section this and then clip off the top section. So this is my favorite gel ever. It is the Camila Rose Curl Maker. I literally love this product. This and the mask are my two favorite hair products I've ever used. So I'm just going to take a pump of this and rake it through that section that I have out still. And I feel like this really defines my curls and just, it's really a game changer, guys. It's really like, I love it so much. I'm so happy I found it. I'm going to take my Denman brush, and this is a defining brush. It really helps to clump your curls together and just make them look way better. So I'm just going to comb through a little section, and I like to shake it out and then scrunch it up. So this really defines my curls. Like, you guys look how much this curl is defined compared to the other curls right next to it just from using the Denman brush on it. So I'm just going to go through this whole section and do that on all of the little parts. And yeah, like I was saying, it really helps to define your curls. So now I'm going to take down my hair and split up another section. It's just like the middle section of my hair, and it doesn't have to be perfect again, and I just like use my hand to separate the sections to make sure I don't mess up the curls that I just defined. And I'm just going to repeat the whole process that I just did on the first section and just do it on this section as well. Use the gel and then use my Denman brush to define it. There are a lot of other ways you can use a Denman brush, but this is like the most easy way for me. Let me know if you guys want to see another video on just a Denman brush alone because there's like so many methods you could use it to define your curls. Alright, so now for the top section, I'll just take this part and split it in half since my hair is in the middle part, and I'll just do one side and then clip up the other. And on these, I'm pretty much going to do the same process, gel and then the Denman brush. The only difference is for the front pieces of my hair, I like to brush them like up. You'll see once like I get to that part. But yeah, I like to brush that part up because I like my hair to be up away from my face. And then just make sure to scrunch your hair. Scrunching is honestly the key. For me, I scrunch my hair so much, as you guys are going to see throughout the rest of the video. And this is what I mean by brushing my hair up. I like my hair to be like lifted up away from my face, and you'll see me do this a couple more times throughout the video to like try to get my hair up. Alright, so now I like to grab a couple pieces of hair and I like to finger roll them. So this is what finger rolling is. You like to take both of your fingers and you roll the hair up. I just like to do this so a couple more pieces are defined, and once my hair is dry, I'll split up the pieces to make it look a little better because it's going to look a little clumpy right now, but don't worry, we'll split them up. So I like to go throughout my head and just do like 4 or 5 pieces. I don't like to do my whole head, 1 because it takes forever, and 2 because it makes your hair look a little too like uniform and like too perfect in my opinion. Like I like my hair with a little frizz, a little more volume. So I'll go through and do this around my whole head a couple times. And I did want to show you guys another option if you don't want to do the finger roll. It's literally just like, I don't know what to call this, just like curling your hair around your finger. This also works as well. It's not as like chunky, but it does work. So I'll do this a couple times throughout my head, and then also I'll show you another method where I literally just like twist the hair up. So this is the twisting. Literally, you can see me twisting it from the top. So all the other methods, I start on the bottom. But if I want to twist my hair, I start at the top and work my way down. I like all methods. This one and the finger roll are definitely my favorite. But it just depends on what I want. So I usually go throughout my whole head and just like mix it up and just go with the flow, you know? For the front of my hair, I do like to do the twisting method just because it always looks better. So I'll just twist them away from my face, and you can see me lifting up my hair again. And I make sure to scrunch after every twist. Alright, so I'm going to take my gel again and scrunch through just to set all the curls in, and this is the last product I'm putting in my hair. I really just like to make sure all the curls are set in, and even though there is gel already in my hair, I like to put a little bit more. I don't put too much just because I don't want my hair to be like crunchy or stiff. So after this, I'll let my hair sit for like 10 minutes, just let everything sit in, and then I'm going to diffuse. So you don't have to let your hair sit if you don't want to, but I just feel like that lets my hair turn out a little bit better. So first thing I do is go around my hair with the diffuser without touching it first, and then I do a medium heat, medium air. So I just go around my whole head doing this motion just to pretty much set the curls in like I was saying. Alright, and then I pretty much just go throughout my head and scrunch with the diffuser, and then I'll shake it a little bit at the top just to get a little bit of root volume. So I do this on both sides of my hair, as you guys can see. And I'll do this till my hair is about like, not all the way dry by any means, but just a little more dry, and then I'll let my hair air dry the rest of the way. This just really works for me, and I feel like if I were to diffuse my hair till it was dry, it would be really frizzy and just, I don't know, I wouldn't like it. And I do like to go through my roots with my fingers and just move them around a little bit just to make sure they're not like stuck to my head. Alright, so I'm on my hair air dry the rest of the way, and I'll show you guys the finished product. And voila, this is what my hair looks like after my complete curly hair routine. It looks so good, so defined, so moisturized. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the results, and I'm so happy I found this routine. It works so good for my hair type, hair texture, and even though my hair's bleached, y'all can see it's still defined, still looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and separate some of the more chunky curls that I twisted up. Alright, so stay tuned if you want to see the giveaway rules and all the products you'll be winning. They'll be right after this clip. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope this curly hair routine works out for you too. Alright, that was my curly hair routine. Hope you guys liked it. So now it's time for the giveaway rules. So the rules for this giveaway are, of course, have to be subscribed, have to comment down below your Instagram, and also something along the lines of your favorite hair product, what you liked about this video, if you have a favorite video of mine, if you have any other videos you want to see from me, comment anything like that, and then at the end, comment your Instagram name. Then go to my Instagram, follow me, comment on my giveaway post, and then you'll be entered in. And then for extra entry, you could also repost the giveaway post that's going to be on my Instagram. So that's just going to give your extra entry in. Don't worry, all the rules will be in the description box. If I'm talking too fast and not making sense, I have all in the description box. So yeah, just make sure you do all of that if you want to be entered. I just want to say thank you guys so much for people that have been subscribed to me and for reaching 5K. That's why I'm doing this giveaway for my 5K. So hopefully we can reach like 10K by the end of the year. Just throwing it out there, 10K. I need to get more consistent, I know. But I've been busy with school and work, you guys. If you know, you know, the struggle is real. But yeah, so I really wanted to do this giveaway for you guys. It's a lot of stuff, some of my favorite products. I also will be having another giveaway, probably my next video. Be giving away a couple items, not as much as this one, but a couple items. So yeah, go ahead and follow all those rules if you want to be entered into the giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.